a chuirde uaisle a phobal na hÉireann, sibse atá anseo Somalia, sibse atá thar lear a chur fuamh fud an domhan, sibse atá tagtha go dtí an tír seo conobar, cónaí agus cabhrú linn mar hir, agus sibse bhrá libh a bheith in Éireann, chuir an beanachtaí na Nollag ó chrí chugamh lug. In this, my first Christmas message as President of Ireland, I would like to wish each of you here in Ireland and abroad a very happy and joyful Christmas and a peaceful New Year. Christmas is above all a season of goodwill, and it is a time when we look forward with anticipation to a new year filled with possibility and hope. In these final days of December, as we pass through the winter solstice and witness the darkest day of the year, slowly but surely the days will lengthen again. And this natural rhythm echoes our shared human experience, offering us encouragement in difficult times and reminding us that better days always lie ahead. Christmas, of course, invites us to reflect on the values that truly matter: kindness, tolerance, respect for each other's differences, and to reflect on how we may nurture our shared humanity. Is mí tréimhse na Nollag chun macna bhí dhéanamh, ní amháin an mbliana atá imí ach freisin an gcinál domhan ina maireanmuid, chun smaoinemh faoin mbliana amach roin agus an cinál domhan bhatlinn a bheith agan, an cinál domhan bhatlinn a ágáil inar ndiaidh mar éireacht dar cuid páistí. Domhan atá síochánta suamhnach, domhan atá fáilte. Domhan ina bhfuil meas éagsúlacht agus tuiscint nach bhfuil éon duine agan iomlán mar a géine le aine eile. Domhan ina gcuirtear comhionanas agus cearta déine chun tosaí bhreabús agus sant. We hold, of course, in our thoughts the millions of people worldwide who are enduring the devastating impacts of interconnected crises, of climate change, war, conflict, and displacement. The many families this Christmas who will sadly experience fear, uncertainty, or profound loss. In particular, we think of the people of Palestine, Ukraine, and Sudan. Our own history, marked by forced immigration and loss, gives us a lived understanding of the brutal realities of dispossession, hunger, and war. We think of those who are missing loved ones, those who may be struggling or without a home, those who are ill, and those who feel alone and lonely. Is mí an Nollag a mionmuid ag smaoinemh ar glanna, agus gárde, bíodh siad a naca linn nó i bhfad wen, nó imí rón flin fírinne, ach fós linn in gríche. We think of all those who generously give up so much of their Christmas to serve the needs of others, the many wonderful carers, those supporting loved ones within their own families, and those providing care in homes and communities across the country, those attending to the needs of the homeless, the vulnerable and the marginalised, our hospital workers and our emergency services. I also wish, of course, to extend my deep gratitude to the members of the Irish Defence Forces who will spend this Christmas overseas, separated from their loved ones, safeguarding peace and protecting some of the most vulnerable members of our shared global family in regions far from our shores. I am particularly mindful of our diaspora at this time of year. There is scarcely a family on this island that does not have a story of immigration woven into its history. We are deeply proud of all of you, your achievements, your contributions across the world, and we send our warmest good wishes to you wherever you may be on this Christmas Day. We celebrate this Christmas season acutely aware of the challenges facing Ireland and the wider world. Now more than ever, we must work together and use our voices to celebrate diversity, to champion sustainable solutions to the climate crisis, and to advocate for peaceful resolutions to conflict and war. Is fúine atá ábalta atá sé tabhairt faoin mbliain nua, le dóchas agus fun, na hathruithe is gá a éileamh agus a chur I gcríoch. I wish each and every one of you a joyful Christmas and a happy new year filled with light, joy and peace. Níl fum inis ach bannacht in Nollag a gui oribh fad agus sonas agus suamhnas sa bhliain amach roin.